Now available on Divide, Blu-ray, and VHS.
Hop on board and explore the island of Sodor with everyone's #1 friend, Thomas the Tank Engine. You'll join in on the excitement and adventure with all of Thomas's friends. There's the cheerful but sometimes accident-prone Percy, the proud and strong Gordon, James with his splendid red coat, the long and fast Henry, the always helpful Bertie, everyone's new friend Emily, and Sir Topham Hatt, the superintendent of the railway, who makes sure everything keeps running right on time. Each release in this award-winning collection contains stories that teach the valuable life lessons of friendship and working together, and the importance of trust and honesty.
Thank you for looking after my passengers. I do like company, especially children's company.
And now, little engineers have an express ticket to trainloads of interactive fun, now available on DVD. Join your railway friends as they take you to island destinations such as the Fun and Games Shed, Sing-Along Station, Read-Along Depot, and the Character Gallery, where you'll meet each engine up close and personal. Each Thomas the Tank Engine release is engineered for fun. The journey starts here, so climb aboard for all of these Thomas and Friends adventures today.
I like it. But we ought to say something about the show, telling it like it is. Maybe the nitty-gritty little kitty show.
I like that. Well, then how about the itty-bitty nitty-gritty little kitty show? Hey, these kids can't read or write, can they?
No.
Then how's about we call the show Hey Stupid?
Why don't we take that? Two more phrases.
You really think you're going to get this show on the air?
Introducing a new television series for children.
Look right in there, Bert.
In there?
See right in there? Yeah, look a little closer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
C is for cookie. That's good enough for me.
Rubber ducky, you're the one.
Doing the pigeon.
Over and under and through.
I'm the king of 8, and I'm here to state that everything here has to total 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The ladybugs came to the ladybugs picnic.
Have a rotten day.
Yeah, wow. There goes my kind of guy.
We've got to get to Network Wiggles. We've got a show to do. Hold on, everybody.
Camera 1, pull back.
Oh, what a great shot.
Camera 2, do the same. Camera 3, it's not the time to do a pirate jig.
And someone is playing pranks on the Wiggles friends at Network Wiggles.
Lights, camera, action! Wow, look at that! Oh, what happened? Who did that?
Captain, if we're going to stop them, we need to find them. Do you know where those gremlins went? Did you see them?
There's plenty of wiggly mischief in Woohoo Wiggly Gremlins from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
From Leapfrog, one of the world's leading developers of innovative learning products, comes The Letter Factory. This classic Leapfrog learning DVD is a delightful combination of education and entertainment that introduces kids to letter sounds and letter names. Join the fun with popular Leapfrog characters on their adventure to The Letter Factory. Professor Quigley takes Tad on a tour of the classrooms where the newly made letters are learning to pronounce their sounds.
Wooga, wooga, wooga! Ah! Perfect! That was exactly the right sound for the letter A.
With humor and song, kids can learn the sounds of the flying F's, the jumping J's, and the karate-kicking K's.
The K says... The K says... Every letter makes a sound, the K says.
Invite your preschooler to sing along with the letters, hearing their sounds and names in a DVD they'll want to watch again and again. And encourage their first steps in their reading journey. The Letter Factory. From Leapfrog.
How to start your day. Simple, sweet, bright, familiar. This lovable bunny stimulates young minds with comforting situations, familiar objects, and a colorful world of fun. Now on DVD. Start looking, start learning, start loving Hopla. Hopla.
Coming to home video, April 1996.
Future is ours. We are Kids for Character.
Kids for Character brings together over 30 of your favorite television and video characters in one special video. They want you to have fun learning the 6 simple words of character.
Trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, and citizenship. There are 6 simple words that you can use to be a better person if you choose. 6 simple words all day long. 6 simple words to make you strong.
With scenes from The Puzzle Place, Barney, Scholastic's The Magic School Bus, Lamb Chop's Play Along, Nick Jr.'s Gullah Gullah Island, and The Bar. This video will help your child learn all about character.
Yeah, and just think what a better world it would be if every kid was a kid for character.
We're Kids for Character. Here we stand, we're unified.
The Kids for Character video is coming to a store near you, April 1996.
This holiday season, Nickelodeon presents Dora in an all-new movie, Dora's Christmas Carol Adventure. Join Dora for a must-see holiday adventure that the whole family will enjoy.
Swiper, you're now on the naughty list.
Oh, man! We can't let this happen.
It's a journey to the future.
Christmas, bah humbug.
And back to the past.
Oh, man!
To help a friend learn the true spirit of Christmas.
I really want to change.
Get ready for a brand new holiday classic with a Dora twist.
It's the best party of the year.
Dora's Christmas Carol Adventure. Available on DVD.
Look for all these great VeggieTales videos wherever videos are sold. Or for more information, visit us at www.veggietales.com.